he said, you're a moron if you don't use these folks.
In this interview with Ryan from Purple Wave and Bob from Stewart Welding, Bob's friend didn't mince words, giving a strong recommendation for Purple Wave. Intrigued? Let's dive into this story and find out more.
Let me ask you a question. I didn't think about this before, but why did you choose Purple Wave?
Well, actually, I had a friend of mine named John Kelly with Permian Tractor in Odessa.
Okay.
I talked to him about it, and John said, you're a moron if you don't use these folks. and he spoke out, and I've been doing business with John for, goodness gracious, 40 years. So I respect his opinion. He moves and buys and sells and moves a lot of equipment. And so I looked into the Purple Wave deal. It makes sense. There's some added benefit as the seller, because you're not taking the commission hit. And I think that's what has helped you guys, your business grow, right?
Absolutely.
And through this process, I've watched the guys as they've been taking data capture, talked to these guys. And one thing that you said on our first meeting that mattered to me, you told me, you said, if this truck's not running, I need to know, because we don't want to put something out there that's not right. And that's one, there's what little integrity we have, we're going to keep. It's not for sale, right?
Absolutely.
We've got good maintenance records. If anybody wants maintenance records, repair records, whatever we got, we can help them.
That's right. You want to be honest, we want to be honest, and we want our buyer to be confident.
Sure.
And that's the key, is confidence.
The equipment still has value, still has usability, and it fits in my business plan of where we want to go, and it's just time.